Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz Yakub. I'm from Umar Ali Shin Cafe Polytechnic NDCS2 Computer Department. I'm here to talk about some of our types of cable we have. We have the twisted pair cable, and then we have casual cable, and then we have fiber optic cable. Now let's just talk about the twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cables consist of pairs of coppers wire twisted together. Each pair of wires is twisted to reduce interface from other wires, pairs, and internal sources. We have the types, which we have UTP and STP. Then secondly, we have fiber optic cable. The fiber optic cables use thin strand of glass or plastic called fibers to transmit data as flows of light. We have some types. We have the single mode fiber, which is SMF, and we have secondly we have multi-mode fiber (MMF). Then thirdly we have causal cable. Causal cable consists of central conductor, an insulating layer, a metallic shield, and an outer insulating layer. This construction helps protect the signal from interference. Then we have types. We have RG6. Then we have RG59. These are the three types of cable we want to talk about. Thank you.